social media platforms. Share with Love TV for your cooking, vlogging, viral gists and news. My girl told me that she wants to check on Share with Love TV. My friends too told me that they want to check on Share with Love TV. I begin to wonder, say, why everyone want to check on Share Love TV. I come start to wonder, say, why it be say, all of now they want to check on Share with Love TV. Share, is there something you are not telling me? Oh, is there something you are not showing me? Madam Share with Love TV, oh, a magic finger. Madam Share with Love TV, a supernatural cooker. Why don't you follow Share with Love TV? Why don't you follow Share with Love TV? Share with Love TV on all social media platforms. Yeah. Share with Love TV. Why don't you follow Share with Love TV? Let's see how you follow. Madam Share with Love TV. Okay, you know how to make this recipe so good, and you know how to make your cooking look so delicious and cool. Anytime I taste it, I feel love inside, and you the best of all them cooked. Yeah. Madam Share with Love TV, I love